Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the powerhouse that is the Alienware Aurora R16 gaming desktop, designed for gamers who demand top-tier performance and sleek design. Under the hood, it's powered by the Intel Core i7-14700F processor, delivering blazing fast speed and responsiveness whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Paired with 32GB of cutting-edge DDR5 RAM, this machine handles anything you throw at it with ease. The 1TB SSD offers rapid load times and plenty of space for your game library, while the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super with 12GB of GDDR6X graphics delivers stunning visuals, real-time ray tracing, and high frame rates across the most demanding titles. With Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you get a clean, modern gaming interface, and the bold Basalt Black chassis keeps everything cool and quiet in a compact, futuristic design. It also includes a 1-year on-site or in-home service, giving you peace of mind and premium support right from the start. If you're ready to take your gaming to the next level, the Alienware Aurora R16 is a beast worth every penny. Click the link below for the best price and thanks for watching.